So if you are running ads on Facebook and you are not using this tool, then you are leaving money on the table. Yeah, so Facebook has this tool called the Facebook ad library that basically we can use to actually see the exact ads our competitors are using. So for example, let's go to the Facebook ad library. So that is this one here. Yeah, so now just the first link, this one. Okay, now I have to change a few things here. So in my case, I live in Portugal, so I have to change this to worldwide. This way, I can see all the ads basically worldwide. And now for category here, I want to see all ads in general. So here we could basically put, for example, a specific keyword as we can see here, or the name of the company. So let's say, for example, just for this one here, let me go for this company, The Ridge. It's a very popular e-commerce brand. And here, for example, we can see all the ads this company, The Ridge, is running. So as you can see here, so this specific ad here was started basically yesterday on the 18th, right? Here we can see all the active ads. But now, we know that Facebook ads are expensive, right? Now, no one is going to run an ad on Facebook for 1 month if it is not performing, right? So now, let's go back to November, for example, to see one of the ads maybe in November. So for example, to see what is working. So 4th December, okay, let's see here. Okay, so for example, this specific ad, so they started running this ad on 2nd December and they've duplicated this ad 4 times. So now what the data is telling me here is that this specific ad is working, right? So they wouldn't basically duplicate the ad 4 times if it is not generating them any profit. So now the point is that if I am a competitor of The Ridge, this is an opportunity for me. I could basically look at the video ad in this case here, okay, try to recreate something similar. If it is an image ad, it's pretty much the same. So this one here, it's a video, so they have duplicated this 3 times as we can see here. Yeah, and let's see maybe another to see, could be an image ad, something like that. Okay, so this is an image ad here, has been duplicated 3 times. Okay, let's see something. Okay, so pretty much the same. So November 25th. So yeah, nothing much here. So just a single ad. Okay. Okay, so this one here is also a video ad. And okay, that's a video, the same thing. So this ad has been running since November 22nd November. And they have duplicated this 4 times, 4 times, 3 times, 3 times. So again, what this is showing us that that specific video ad is working, right? So again, we can pretty much recreate something similar and then basically launch a similar ad. So that is the whole point here. Yeah, like we said that like we don't have to reinvent the wheel. Like it's working for someone else, we can basically create something similar. Okay, and that is the whole point here.